your man's Kashar here. This is K-Go Self-Evolution, where I'm here to help you evolve. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to improve with money in 5 minutes. All right, let's go ahead and start the intro. Boom. All right, so 5 minutes starts right now. And the first thing we're going to go over is studying millionaires. You need to study millionaires and how they operate on a day-to-day basis. Yeah, because if you want to be one, you got to be in, you got to, study what they do and mimic what they do and all that stuff, right? You are constantly going to be focusing on what they do and actually doing the same as a millionaire. All right, so you will become wealthy if you study millionaires because they are wealthy. Isn't that what you want? So you got to study millionaires and what they do, all right? Go on podcasts, go on YouTube videos and study what they do. Study what they do. All right, next, we're going to be looking at your bank account daily. All right, if you don't have what you want in your bank account, then get to work and make it happen. Also, you need to manage your funds and other things to improve with your money as well. So not only are you going to be seeing that you don't have that, that exact number that you have in your money or in your bank account, you're going to say to yourself, if I don't have that amount of money that I want or need in that bank account, you are going to get to work. End of discussion. And then you need to also manage your funds and how your savings set up and your investments and all that other stuff. Hey, this is a improved money 5 minutes. Let's get it. Third thing, is learn a skill and sell it. All right. So with the internet, you can connect, train, learn, and get taught anything in this world. Literally anything. So with a laptop and some Wi-Fi connection, you can become a master at one skill and get paid for it. That can be copywriting, trading, making ads for people, photography, I don't know, whatever you do and you're just really good at, sell it. Learn how to sell it and get paid for it, because all you need is one simple thing to be good at, like really good at, and you can get paid for it. And if you're not good at anything, shoot content of what you think of videos and stuff like that. Give reaction videos or something, or just give your opinion and just start shooting TikToks and all these other stuff. Just do it now, okay? And fourth thing is learn what money is. Yes, money in the physical world is a piece of paper, but spiritually it is far beyond that. It is energy. Think about this, right? You go to work 8 hours in your day and you expend your energy probably serving others at your job. What do you get in return? Money, right? So your 8 hours of hard work turn into money, or really energy. Whatever you give, you receive. So if you're giving your energy away, you will soon get it back. But this is a misconception with that, is that you feel you should be getting paid more for your 8 hours of work. Yes, you should, but why, right? A bunch of other people have the same job if you have a regular 9-to-5 job, but out of all these jobs, who's giving out the most of the energy? The CEOs, the owners, the boss, etc., etc., etc. They gave probably years to creating your 9-to-5 job and the whole infrastructure around it, right? So they give more energy away to more people than you do. Therefore, they make more money. Does that make sense? Is everyone getting it so far? Like I said, I have 5 minutes. So I'm trying to hurry this up. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to challenge myself. I'm not saying you need to become a CEO or an owner of a worldwide company, like, I don't know, whatever worldwide company that there is. But just think about how many people you might impact in a day at your 9-to-5 job and how much people the CEOs impact. Okay, big difference. They impact more people than you know, more people that you've probably even come across in your life, right? And hey, they're getting paid for it. So money is simply energy. You need to understand that. give your energy away. All right. And the last thing, the fifth thing, is what you say can stop you from getting money. I'll repeat that one more time. What you say can stop you from getting money. Saying, I don't have enough. It's too expensive. I can barely afford it. I can never buy it. Is simply programming that me and you have been taught. Yes, me and you. We've all been taught this, right? So let's approach these things differently and change our programming and say stuff like this. I will have enough when I have the money for it. It won't be expensive. Or I can afford it when I want to. Or I can buy that. These things have been implemented in your way of life since you were a little kid. Until you realize this, you will always have difficulties and limitations to how much money you actually receive. So stop saying this to yourself all the time. Please. It's not helping you. It's hurting you. It's really hurting you. All right. So those are the 5 things. That's how you improve with money in 5 minutes. I don't think I passed because I'm looking at my camera and it says almost 9 minutes. So I don't think I did it really. But hey, I was close. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you think about all this stuff, especially for the job thing. What do y'all think about that one? Because I know that's gonna get a lot of hit, but hey, let me know what y'all think, because I think it's true. CEOs get more because they impact more people's lives. That's just the truth, you know what I'm saying? Like, anyway, I'm out. Bye.